guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, my name is Ritik Ramaiya and today I'm gonna talk about Forex. So I've been a professional Forex trader since like 2 years, and I've traded source of currencies and indexes. So to get more of my updates, you can subscribe and like the red icon below. So that's more of it. So you guys know my name. So I'm gonna start with what is Forex. So guys, everyone travels in their life, once in their lifetime at least. But once you become a Forex trader, you'll be traveling more often than me. So I would like to say that whenever you guys travel, let's say you have dollars with you, okay, but you wanna travel to the UK. So in UK they use Great Britain pound. So you need the GBP, which is the pounds. So there's a conversion rate. So basically Forex is like interchanging currencies. Once you have dollars, you buy British pounds. Once you have British pounds, you buy dollars. It's like a conversion of two different currencies. One currency buys, the other one sells. So to give you more insights of my talk, let's take official definition of what is Forex trading. So as you say, Forex is a marketplace where various national currencies are traded. The Forex market is the largest, most liquid market in the world. So it's like it's a volatile market. So it changes at different seconds. It's not like it changes at different hours. It's very rapid. So it changes at pace exponentially. So as you can see the graph below down here, you can see how it changes in a particular time frame. So you can see it has a great and massive effect on the change. We're continuing with the more than $1 trillion market changing hands every single day. Now let's talk about the advantages of Forex. There is no centralized location. Rather than the Forex market is an electronic network of banks, brokers, institutions and individual traders. That means that anyone can trade Forex. It's not like that banks can trade Forex. It's not like that a broker can trade Forex. Even a particular individual like me and you can trade Forex. So guys, you just got to know the official definition about Forex. So you guys might be having a lot of questions and doubts and queries, but don't worry, I'll be taking you through full on how to trade Forex from 0 to 100. You just got to know the official definition about Forex. But don't worry guys, I know you might be having queries and doubts in your mind and on how to go about trading it, how to be a profitable trader, what strategies to use, how to become a profitable trader, what trades to take, how to place trades, what's the best time to trade in a day. But don't forget guys, my next YouTube video will drop out soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be explaining every single thing guys. So stay tuned, don't be worried. Just subscribe and like to my YouTube channel. See you guys. This is Ritik Ramaiya, editor Aqeel, Mohammed.